Hi, my name is Natalie and I did Maths, Further Maths and Chemistry at St. Dom's. I'm going to give you a bit of advice on how to get an A-star in Maths and Further Maths. First of all, make sure that you focus in your lessons. Try to do your homework on the same day that you get it because it's still fresh in your brain and you can get to grips with it better. Second of all, when you're still understanding topics, I would say look at the textbook chapters, read through them, look at the examples, do the exercises. The review exercises are also very helpful before any topic exams. Then you can look at websites such as A-Level Maths Revision and Bison Maths. These are also very good because they have topic-specific questions on there. Once you've done these questions, I would move on to do past papers. Make sure that you do all the past papers out there, all the questions, and you can do them more than once. You'll have time to do them more than once. If there's anything you don't understand, make sure that you look at the mark schemes well or try to ask a teacher. Once you've done that, I would say look at the Madass Math website. This is very useful, especially if you're a further math student. They have papers there that you can use, and although they may seem difficult at first or challenging, they're very helpful and easily explained using the mark schemes. This will be very helpful as well because during the exams, you may find tricky questions that come up, but you'll be better prepared for them and you'll have more confidence to tackle them. You can also look at more questions in the old spec and other exam boards, or as well the zigzag papers are very useful to do. Once you've looked at all these, you can also look at mark schemes. Mark schemes are very good to find out how the marks are allocated, the different methods you can use, and kind of get to grips with what the examiner is thinking and how they would answer the questions. Try to do as many questions as you can. I can't stress enough that the more questions, the better you'll be prepared. And also the more questions, the faster you'll be. So your timing will also improve. Exam technique is very important. So if you organize yourself well during the exam, if you start well, you'll be good to go. I would recommend that, say you're working through the exam and you come through difficult questions, I would skip them, move on to the next. Make sure that you go through the whole paper first. You know how many questions there are before you start the paper, so you can time yourself better. Once you've gone through the paper once, come back again and go through the questions that you're stuck on, because now you'll be more reassured that you've had time to think about them. You know how much time you have left, but you're also certain that you've kind of gotten marks because you've answered questions and you have marks there. But yeah, good luck, and I'm sure you guys will be amazing.